Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and it is a noisy world out there. If you're having a hard time standing out, I want to give you one piece of advice, and it's be 100% you. Add some personality to everything that you do, and just be super authentic. So think about what makes you you, and just do that. So think about what are the 5 things that make you unique. What are the things that you love? What are the things that just make you you? So some of the things that I share about within my content, and if you get my emails, you see it all the time. I love friends. So I post friends gifts, and that's just like kind of me and my personality. I love wine. So I share stuff about wine and champagne. I also love coffee, and travel and adventures. And I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I'm not afraid to stumble on my words or not to be perfect. So what really helps me is I don't try to be like every other marketer out there. That's kind of boring. If you want people to relate to you, you need to be you 100% and be authentic. So something that I like to tell my clients is to attract and repel. The people who want that marketer that's giving them like, I don't want to say stuffy, but like very proper. They're very proper. That would be the word I would say. They're not gonna like me. They're gonna say, oh my gosh, she's so unprofessional in a wine cellar, and usually I'm wearing a hoodie, and yesterday I did a video and I was jet lagged and no makeup and it was just like a hot mess. But the people who are my people are gonna say, she's relatable, and if she can do it, I can do it too. And those are the people that I want to work with. I don't want to work with someone who's uptight and has these like super high expectations of who I'm supposed to be. I'm just gonna be me. And I'm going to attract the right people by doing that. So I want to challenge you, just think to yourself, what makes you you? And how can you put more of your personality out there? If you're a fun person, put emojis and GIFs all over the place and have fun, and you're going to attract fun people into your business. Okay, so that's it. If you haven't registered for our free challenge that's coming up on August 27th, go and register at joinblogchallenge.com. I'm going to teach you how to monetize your blog in 5 days. It's going to be so much fun. So I'll see you there. Bye.